2nd Street has more than 850 physical stores nationwide. It is a general reuse shop that buys and sells used items, and at the online store, focusing on fashion items such as clothes, used clothes, bags, and shoes. Handles a wide range of furniture, home appliances, and household goods. Second Street is Japan's biggest second-hand fashion stores, with over 850 stores. The thrift store chain is jam-packed with great menswear and women's wear. Their stock ranges from luxury streetwear to high street, but they are best known for their exclusive collection of sneakers and watches. Second Street is the most popular reused shop with high-quality products and retail mechanism that cultivated over the years helps supports operation of 850 stores. With original method of selling that provides high-quality second-hand clothing from Japan. The pre-loved fashion scene that are in such good condition, you'd think you were buying new, and there's no better pre-owned fashion site than Second Street. Second Street is Japan's largest second-hand chains, with more than 850 stores nationwide, and sells a mix of Japanese brands, foreign brands, and non-branded items. Here, you can find everything from high-quality designer brands to vintage items to trendy clothes, shoes, and accessories. Expect prices between 4,000 yuan and 10,000 yuan. Second Street has 9 different store types, 3 of which focus on fashion apparel. Reuse fashion items at affordable prices. Use select carefully selected fashion items, mainly brand names, and brand specialty store luxury brands. Second Street has over 70 stores in Tokyo Prefecture, including locations in Shimokidazawa, Kikijoji, Kanji, Shibuya, Shinjuku, Harajuku, and Ikebukuro. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.